Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with breaking news from Western Kingston. Just minutes ago, there was a daring gun battle between gangs from Tivoli Gardens and neighboring Denham Town. Now, it's understood that the security forces intervened to quell tempers. The police say gunmen fired at them from the Maypen Cemetery. The police recovered a firearm from the burial ground a short while ago. Now, the area remains tense at this time, but as you can see, the security forces are maintaining a strong presence on Spanish Town Road in the vicinity of the Denham Town Police Station. And if you're just joining us, we have an item of breaking news just coming in. There was a daring gun battle between gangs from Tivoli Gardens and a neighboring Denham Town. The security forces, they are now in the area, and here you are seeing footage of the security forces trying to take control of the situation there on Spanish Town Road and other areas in Western Kingston.